Good morning. I'm off to work. I get to wear scrubs today. Yay! I'm helping out in another area. It's the clinic pharmacy, so that's pretty cool. Anyways, hope you guys have a good day. What'd you think, baby? You like your tricycle? Yeah. Did you have a fun trip? And we're off. He looks like a little teddy bear.
Probably ran away. They left me alone for so long.
You put it in? Put it in the hoop. You can do it. Yeah, you got it. Yay! Oh, good job! Go, Kevin. Are you gonna come get me? All right, let's go see Dad. Go see Dad. Woo! Woo!
Good job!
Are you having fun? Huh? Are you having so much fun? Hey. Are you mesmerized about all the Legos?
And the people.
And the people? I'm just sitting downstairs. It is Sunday and we went to the Lego expo that they had downtown today. It was really cool. Kind of not really for him. We kind of did it for ourselves, but we thought he might like to look around at all this stuff and see all the Legos that were built. And they had a section in the back where you could build Legos, and then they had the bigger blocks for the smaller kids, but he's still not in that age range where he can build those. So I figure in a couple of years he'll really enjoy something like that. But we just wanted to see what it was like. So, it was at the convention center downtown. I said downstairs. It's 11 o'clock and I need to go to bed. But I'm waiting on laundry, so on life. I am watching my computer be super slow at transferring video files. So I filmed a video with Lonnie and I'm trying to transfer it to a folder because I'm OCD and I like to rename everything that's in one consecutive video to that video title and then put it in a folder so I know where it is. When I go into my editing software, I can just pull it straight from that folder and everything has the same name. I don't know why our computer is taking so long. It's taken 20 minutes, I kid you not, and it's 6 or 8 files, I think, and they're not even that big, so it's got 10% left. And then there's another one, so I have a whole nother video too. This one's a Burt's Bees video, which I thought was pretty cool. You're welcome, Beth. But yeah, that one I like. Spoiler, I enjoyed the Burt's Bees makeup. Well, some of it anyways. You'll just have to watch and see what I didn't enjoy. But yeah, that's pretty much been all we've done today. Oh yeah, it's done. Okay, well, just wanted to update while I was waiting on files to transfer. So I hope you guys have a lovely start to the week tomorrow. Hope your Monday is not a Monday. I hope that you have a good rest of the week, and we'll see you later.